Imagine a world where software development is faster and more efficient. Picture a world where code is cleaner, errors are minimized, and developers can focus on creativity and innovation. This is the promise of Cider AI, a powerful new tool transforming how we build software. Cider AI is an advanced code analysis platform powered by artificial intelligence. It acts as a diligent and intelligent assistant for developers, helping them write better code, identify potential issues early on, and ultimately deliver higher quality software. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, where software is the backbone of countless industries, the significance of tools like Cider AI cannot be overstated. By automating tedious tasks and providing intelligent insights, Cider AI empowers developers to work smarter, not harder. At its core, Cider AI leverages the power of machine learning to analyze code and provide valuable feedback. It learns from massive data sets of code, identifying patterns, best practices, and potential pitfalls. One of the key features of Cider AI is its ability to perform static code analysis. This means it can examine code without actually executing it, identifying potential bugs, vulnerabilities, and code style violations. Imagine a meticulous editor reviewing your writing, catching typos and grammatical errors before you hit publish. That's what Cider AI does for code. Another important aspect of Cider AI is its dynamic code analysis capability. By analyzing code as it runs, Cider AI can identify performance bottlenecks, memory leaks, and other issues that might not be apparent from static analysis alone. The applications of Cider AI are vast and span across various industries. Let's explore some real-world examples. In the realm of software development, Cider AI is being used by companies of all sizes to streamline their development processes. By automating code reviews and identifying bugs early on, Cider AI helps teams ship software faster and with higher confidence. Cider AI is also proving invaluable in cybersecurity. By detecting potential vulnerabilities in code, it helps organizations strengthen their defenses against cyber attacks. Imagine Cider AI as a vigilant security guard, constantly patrolling your codebase for weaknesses. Moreover, Cider AI is being used in education to teach the next generation of developers best coding practices. By providing personalized feedback and guidance, Cider AI helps students write cleaner, more efficient code from the get-go. The benefits of Cider AI are undeniable. By automating tedious tasks, improving code quality, and enhancing security, Cider AI has the potential to revolutionize software development as we know it. However, like any transformative technology, Cider AI also presents challenges. One key challenge is ensuring the accuracy and reliability of its analysis. As with any AI system, Cider AI is only as good as the data it is trained on. It's crucial to continuously train and refine the system to keep up with evolving coding practices and security threats. Another challenge is addressing potential ethical concerns. For instance, it's important to ensure that Cider AI is used responsibly and does not perpetuate biases present in the data it is trained on. Despite these challenges, the future of Cider AI looks bright. As AI continues to advance, we can expect Cider AI to become even more powerful and sophisticated, further empowering developers and shaping the future of software development.